FM radios, normally how they work, advertisement, all those will be helpful. Anything which is related to the public and which will help to the people, we can help.
So which technology have you used? GPS, GSM, what? RFID?
It is radio frequency.
RFID.
RFID is in frequency modulation.
FM.
No, like for example, if somebody has stolen my bike and I want to track the person where it is there, so sometimes we can use the GSM technology. GSM technology. There will be one SIM in the mobile phone, one SIM in the bike. Wherever the bike will, for example, they have stolen the bike from the Gangama circle and it is there in the Hasirghatta. So we should be able to track this particular bike number is in Hasirghatta. Similarly, if somebody violates the rules of the traffic, so no need to take the pics and all. If some vehicle, particular vehicle violates the rule, the vehicle number should be detected by the police station or traffic police, and before the person will reach his home or her home,
Very fast.
or like that, sometimes we are riding the